Okay, so today we're going to multiply 2-digit by 2-digit numbers. Okay, so we have worked on the algorithm, and the algorithm means that it's two numbers on top of one another like this. Okay, so read this number to me.
42 times 37.
Okay, so how many digits are on top?
2.
And how many on bottom?
2.
Okay, so when they say algorithm, they want you to leave it like this and then just multiply just like it is. And you would multiply the bottom by the top and then cross over and then put those numbers on the bottom. You might have to carry, and then you would cross this way and then go up. Okay, but I want to show you another way, which is called the area model, where we can break apart the number. And this is going to look more familiar and a little more easy to do. Okay, so first, you see these boxes here?
Mm-hmm.
So, how can we break apart 42? What do you think?
What do you mean?
Okay, so the way we can break it apart is, how about the ones and the tens? Can we break those apart?
Yes.
How?
Yes. We can do 40 plus 2.
All right, so let's look at this example right here. So, very good. You did it on your own paper. Good job. So, how about you have a box. See this? What you're going to do is, see how they have 35 here?
Mm-hmm.
So they did 30 and 5. So you would put
35.
No, 42.
Oh.
So 40 and 2 there. See what I mean? You put 40 here and 2 here.
Well, my pencil just broke.
No.
So I'm going to get a new one.
Okay, so now we have a new pencil. So
It's a
let's
pen,
break apart
actually.
the next number, which is this one.
30 plus 7. 37.
Exactly. So we'll put the 30 here.
Right here.
Mm-hmm. And then what goes here?
7.
Good job. All right. Now is the challenging part. So you
42, 37.
You got to multiply these numbers. Okay? So, do you know what 3 times 4 is? All right, well, let's do this.
12.
Very good. So put a 12 here. And then, how many zeros do you see?
2.
So you have to put 2 zeros here.
12.
So it is 1,200.
Which
What
is
a big number.
1,200.
1,200, yes. So then you have to do 2 times 3, which is what?
6.
Mm-hmm. And then don't forget your zeros, so put 6 and 0.
6. D.
Good job. All right, now we have to do 7 times 4.
$28.
Good job. And don't forget what? Good job, you remembered the
280.
0. All right, and that leaves these two numbers, 7 and
2.
And multiply them together, and what does that make?
14.
Very good. All right, so if you look right here, they've done that, and then they've added all these. So, once again, another big step. So we have to line these all up. 1,200 plus, but you got to be careful because you got to line them up. Okay, so see how this one has 3 digits? So you line it like this. And then you do 60, and then that leaves 14. Okay, so now the fun part. So we want to line them up and add them. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals, and 4. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4 is...
I thought you were just saying 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, and I'm like...
And then what about plus 4?
4.
Very good. So put a 4.
Right here?
Mm-hmm.
4.
And then we have 8 plus 6.
14.
Plus 1.
15.
Alright, so you put the 5 here.
Where?
Right here.
5.
And then you carry over to here. So you put the 1 here. On top of the 1. On the 2. Then you say 2 plus 2 is 4. Plus 1 is?
5.
5. Put the 5 here. That leaves your very last number, which is?
1.
And bring it down. Alright, so can you read your answer to me?
1,554.
Very good. So, this is called the area model. And so what we will do, we've already done 42 times 37. And so I've got this one on this paper that's already done for you, or they've broken it apart. They had 52 and 16. So they did it a little differently than we did. They did 50 and then 2 here, and then 10 and 6. But it's the same because look, 50 plus 2 and 10 plus 6. Okay? So what I want you to do is try this one. Alright, you want to try it on your paper?
Nobody. Stay up there. Stay live.
Okay, do you want to try it on your paper or do you want to do it on this paper?
My paper.
Okay. Alright, so I will help you. First, I'll help you by drawing the boxes. Alright.
I want to write mathematics at the top.
Okay. Alright, so what do you think we should do?
And right here.
Good job.
652.
Alright, so you've gone ahead and you've broken it apart. The 16, that would be 10 plus 6. And then 52 is 50 plus 2. So what I want you to do is write the problem, which is 52 times 16 at the top of your paper.
52 times 16.
Excellent. Alright, so now remember we have to cross here, 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 and here. Alright, tell me what to do.
1 plus 5 equals 6.
Now remember, we're not adding, we're
Right.
multiplying.
So 1 times 5 equals 5.
Very good.
There are 2 zeros.
Oh, you remembered. Good job.
That's
All right.
500.
Now we've got to cross here.
6 times 5
Is
30.
which is another challenge
So it's
because
right there.
yep. And then you've also got a 0 here, so put that 0 here. You don't want to lose it.
300.
Good.
What?
2 times
1 equals 2.
well, yes.
20.
And then don't forget. Very good. 20. All right, last one.
2 times 6. That's
Very
easy.
good.
12.
Good.
12. 0.
Let's see.
There need to be a 0.
All right, so now the even harder part. We need to add all of these up. So see if we can line them up. All right, so we have here 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals?
Plus 2 equals 2. Wait.
Yes, plus 2. I always forget that last number. Okay, 0 plus 0 plus 2 plus
1, 3.
Very good.
5 plus 3.
Mm-hmm.
8.
All right, so what is your final number?
832.
All right, so do you feel a little bit better about multiplying two-digit numbers now?
Yes.
Okay, so next time we do this, we'll work a little more at least looking at the standard algorithm, but so far you've done better with the two-digit by two-digit, so I think we'll keep trying this. But what I wanted to do is we're going to load up your Prodigy so that you can do about 5 minutes of practice and see how you do with that game. Would you like to try it on there as well?
Yes. Ooh.
Okay, so we've opened up our first problem, but it did challenge us a little bit because it looks like it did 4-digit with 2-digit. So we're going to try our best and see if we can use our box model. At least so that, because I know you want to advance to the next game. So would you like to do the box model? Okay, so let me show you. This is a little bit bigger, but it can still be done. Alright, so we gotta break the number apart. Okay, so let me help you. This one's a little challenging. It's 92 times 32. Okay. So, first we break apart and we do 90 and 2, then 30 and 2. Okay, we have all of our boxes. So let's see if you can cross these. 3 and 9.
3 and 9?
Multiply, remember?
Isn't, okay. 15, 18, 21, 24, 27.
Very good. And don't forget, how many zeros do you need?
I don't have a pin out. Well, this one broke, so I'm going to have to hold it right here. 2. My pin's up. 27. That hurts. Let's see if I can find my pin now. Where'd you put my pin? Ah! This is terrible.
Alright.
Okay.
So you've gone ahead and written it out. 92 times 32. Very good.
27.
And then don't forget, how many zeros do you need?
27,000.
It's actually
2,700.
Very good.
Mommy?